There is one reason why you haven't tried Bitcoin mining. It's not that it's too complicated. It's not that you're not techy enough. The reason is the cost. Computers, electricity, maintenance, it all adds up fast. But now in 2026, this excuse is dead. Stick with me, because by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to start crypto mining without spending a single dollar. Let's get right into it. Now, let's be real. Free mining isn't going to make you rich. What free mining will do is let you learn the entire crypto mining process. How do these platforms work? What are the rewards made up of? And is this even profitable? You can learn all of this without having to spend a single cent. Honestly, if you're new to crypto mining, following this video might be the very best way to get started. Here's the plan for today. I'll start by explaining my personal favorite platform to start mining crypto completely for free. You can check out the platform if you want and claim your free miner in seconds. After we've covered the free part, I'll tell you a little bit about how you could start scaling your mining farm after you've tested the platform. Of course, whether or not you go through with this is completely up to you. But if there is even the tiniest chance that you are going to invest money in crypto mining, keep watching. Because there is some tricks in this video that could help save you a lot of time, money and frustration. First things first, the one and only solution to all of our crypto mining problems. Instead of building, running and maintaining our own mining machine, having to deal with the noise, the heat and the costs, we are not going to build a mining rig at all. Instead, we use cloud mining. Now, don't immediately click off the video, please. I know cloud mining gets a bit of a bad rap. And yes, there is indeed a sketchy side to this. Random apps promising unrealistic results, platforms that look an awful lot like pyramid schemes, and websites where you honestly have no idea where the money is even coming from. But after testing dozens of these platforms, I believe that I have finally found the one. A platform with great but realistic results, is easy to use even for complete beginners, and has a clean rap sheet after 9 years in the market. That platform is called GoMining. Now, before we go further, I once again want to remind you to do your own research. What made GoMining stand out to me was that they don't promise you becoming rich overnight. It was actually the opposite. They are very transparent about the costs and the profits that you can expect. The team behind the platform is fully public and doxed. They've been around for years, and there is plenty of proof that they're actually running a Bitcoin mining operation behind the scenes. All of that really separates GoMining from the rest of the market. But enough of me fanboying about the platform. Let's get into the actual mining. On GoMining, you can buy a digital mining NFT. This NFT is connected to real-world mining power. Once you buy it, it is yours forever. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You buy something once and it pays you forever. That sounds extremely unrealistic. But this is where understanding how Bitcoin mining works becomes very important. Mining machines don't last forever. Over time, mining Bitcoin becomes more difficult, and newer, more efficient machines are introduced. That also means that older machines slowly become less profitable over the years. That is how Bitcoin mining has always worked. Also when you're buying your own physical mining machines. Of course, this doesn't mean that your old miner automatically becomes useless. If the price of Bitcoin goes up, even older machines can become profitable again. And on top of that, GoMining actually allows you to upgrade the efficiency of your miner, which helps you to stay competitive as the market evolves. So instead of thinking about this like buy once and get infinite money forever, it makes much more sense to think of this as buying a computer which, just like any other computer, will slowly become less and less useful over the next 5 to 10 years. Now, if you're still watching and you want to try out all of this completely for free, you can sign up using the link in the description. By signing up through this link, you get a free bonus miner, which is perfect for beginners because it lets you explore the platform and see how everything works before having to spend any money yourself. And if you're from Europe or the UK, there is another great way to boost your rewards completely for free. That is the GoMining Visa card. It works like any other virtual debit card, but instead of getting a cashback in fiat, you are getting a cashback in mining power. That's cool and all, but even if you don't use the card, you get a free 1 terahash a second miner that's permanent just like any other miner you would buy. So between the free bonus miner and the GoMining card, you can actually test out the entire GoMining platform without having to make a single investment yourself. Now, obviously, if you want to grow your returns into a meaningful paycheck, you are going to have to invest some money. And that's exactly what we're going to look at next. Because if you are going to buy your own mining machine, there is in fact a good and a bad way to do so. Stick around, because the next segment is probably the most important thing you have to remember when you are starting cloud mining. I'm talking about allocating your budget correctly. Most people completely forget this. They put all of their money into a miner and they just let it run. But by doing so, you're actually missing out on a lot of money. Here's exactly what I would do. First, I'd start out by selecting a budget. For this video, I'll just take $100, but the strategy should work for any budget. Of our $100 budget, we will spend $56 on a miner. For your budget, you want to allocate 50 to 60% for mining machines. Now, we make sure to use the code PD04S to get an extra 5% in mining power on our first miner purchase. Feel free to save this video if you want to use the code later. Now, what we can see right here is the yearly maintenance cost for our miner. And that is very important for the remainder of our budget. See, on GoMining we can get a 20% discount on maintenance fees if we hold enough GoMining tokens. So after we have successfully bought our miner, it is time for the next part. Decreasing the maintenance costs. We reach the maximum discount by holding a year's worth of maintenance fees in our wallet. To get some tokens, we can simply head over to our wallet here. Then we hit buy, click GoMining and select the amount we want to purchase. In case of a $100 miner, we have to hold around $30 in GMT. Just to be sure, let's get a little extra and move on to step 3. Step 3 is making the most out of our tokens. To do this, we head over to the locking section. Here you can lock your tokens, which helps in 2 ways. Locking up your tokens gets you an additional 25% APR on the tokens you hold, while still getting you the 20% maintenance discount. This is the biggest ROI boost we can gain. Now, it also helps towards our VIP level. Our VIP level depends on how much mining power we have, as well as how much tokens we are locking. The higher our VIP level, the higher our VIP discount. The VIP discount starts at 0%, but it can get all the way up to 6% if you have a big mining farm. And locking your tokens has one more function that I have to tell you about. It gives you votes. Using these votes, you can decide on what happens to the tokens that are used on the platform. Right now there is 3 options. Getting an extra discount on your mining farm, increasing the Miner Wars prize pool, or increasing the greedy machine's power. The first is simple. You get a bigger discount on your mining farm, which means you get a better ROI. Now, if you're feeling adventurous, you can choose to join Miner Wars, which is a gamified version of crypto mining. Now, I wouldn't recommend this if you're just starting out, but I'll make a dedicated video about this soon. The third option is Greedy Machine's power increase. These are old miners on the platform that get a free power upgrade every now and then. As you can imagine, buying one of these machines is really expensive, and right now it just isn't worth it. If you're a beginner, just stick to option 1 and give yourself some more discount. Just make sure to hit the service button every day to get an even bigger discount. Oh, and don't forget to turn on Simple Earn in your wallet settings. This is just free interest on all of your funds without having to lock them up. Right now the interest on USDC and USDT is insane, so you could also just save some more money here. You can withdraw these funds anytime and your rewards are paid out every 4 hours. And that's it. Your mining farm is now completely optimized. If you manage to follow the entire video, your APR should be well above 50% by now. But when Bitcoin started rising a couple years back, we saw rewards of up to 70% on the platform. And I do think we are about to head into a market like that again. But of course, that is all just speculation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions about the platform, feel free to ask them in the comment section. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.